Hi everyone, this is Mark Lefevre with Level Up BootCamps for the Level 3 CFA exam. I want to ask you a question. Did you have an exam strategy? Starting with question number 1. Did you finish the exam with time to spare? Did you play to your strengths, defer to your weaknesses? Did you start on the exam where you wanted to start? If you didn't, then you need to come see me. You should know before you start the exam where you're going to start, what your exam strategy is going to be, where you play to your strengths, where you defer to your weaknesses. You will have a question about whether or not you pass. That's a good thing because you recognize the challenge of the exam. If you come out of the exam going, it wasn't that hard, it wasn't that bad, and you failed it, then we need to talk. So if all of those things don't apply to you, and you have no idea other than you went into the exam and you started with question 1, and you just rolled to the end, and you ran out of time, and you just hope it all went well, and you thought, well, it wasn't so bad. Guess what? It probably is bad. So come see me at Level Up Bootcamps, send me an email, give me a phone call. It's all on my website, levelupbootcamps.com, and we can reconcile that and make sure that the next exam is one and done for you.